I'm Black Cat. John Morrison, you're not gonna win in this match. The winner is one thing you're not gonna be, boy. Thing is, I'm gonna cut you in half. I'm gonna make sure you break, and I'm gonna make sure this is gonna be my best return to hardcore, and there isn't shit you or anybody can say. Welcome to pay-per-view. Welcome to what I do. I break necks and I break backs. Cause I am Joey King, the Black Cat. Meow meow, sucker. What are you gonna say to that? Oh, Joey, 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 Joey. What do I have to say to you? What do I have to say to you? Nothing. Nothing other than this. Winner is the winner. Loser's the loser. And guess who's gonna be the loser? Not me. Black Cat Joey King. Black Cat Joey King. Black Cat Joey King. Black Cat Joey King. You're gonna be the loser. See you at pay-per-view. Matter of fact, I get a rematch at Halloween Havoc no matter what, and there isn't crap you can say to do about it.